You key this error code, click on OK. And right now, let's go onto the settings and go to the privacy security. After you're inside privacy and security, go inside virus and threat protection. After you're inside virus threat protection, go to protection history. And after that, go and find the program that is blocking Windows Defender. So right here, the affected programs right over here is my onlinefix.64dll and find the file. After you find your file, go to actions and go to restore. Go ahead and click on the application and see if it helps and see if it is opening. As you can see, my application is running. I hope you guys are still here, and I will explain why onlinefix.64dll on my screen error usually happens. Online64DLL errors usually happen because Windows Defender blocks or removes the file after detecting it as unsafe or modified. This can occur if the software is corrupted, tempered, or not from an official source. So, this video is for educational purposes only. I do not encourage using cracked, pirated, or untrusted programs. Helps you guys. Download paid versions of apps and don't pirate any apps, guys. This video is for education purposes only, and I do not encourage using cracked, pirated, or untrusted programs. I hope this video helps you guys. Stay safe, have fun, don't forget to click subscribe. See you guys in the next video.